Welcome back to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate destination for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best spatula sets that every home cook and baker needs in their kitchen. From flipping pancakes to scraping bowls, these versatile tools are true kitchen heroes. We've handpicked the top spatula sets that combine style, durability, and functionality, perfect for any cooking or baking adventure. Whether you need heat resistance, seamless designs, or a splash of color, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the buying links in the description box below for all these amazing products. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Let's get started with our top picks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Beijiyi Silicone Spatula Turner Set of 3. Does your current spatula feel more like a kitchen villain than a hero? Enter the Beijiyi Silicone Spatula Turner Set, the Avengers of flipping. With 3 spatulas designed for pancakes, eggs, fish, and burgers, they'll have your meals soaring to superhero status. These flexible but sturdy champs glide under food like magic and flip it with ease. Who needs superpowers when you have these? Made from food-grade silicone, these spatulas can take the heat, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, to be exact. That's hotter than your kitchen after a chilly cook-off. And the best part? They won't scratch your nonstick cookware. You can flip away without worrying about leaving battle scars on your favorite pans. The stainless steel core and non-slip silicone handle are the dream team. They offer a comfy grip, so even your slipperiest pancake doesn't stand a chance of escape. Just imagine, no more wrestling with breakfast. When the cooking's done, cleaning is a breeze. Toss them in the dishwasher or rinse by hand. Plus, they hang neatly, ready for their next mission. With the Beijiyi Silicone Spatula Set, flipping isn't just functional, it's flat-out fun. Time to turn up the heat and flip like a pro. Number 2. Umite Chef Kitchen Non-Stick Silicone Cooking Utensils Set of 33. Ever feel like your kitchen utensils are plotting against you? Meet your new allies, the Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. This 33-piece arsenal is ready to take on all your cooking adventures. From flipping pancakes to serving soup, it's got everything, even hooks and a holder. It's like getting a VIP pass to culinary greatness. Crafted with food-grade silicone, these tools are BPA-free and non-reactive, so your food stays fresh and flavorful. They can handle heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than your kitchen during holiday baking season. Plus, these utensils are gentle on your non-stick pans, unlike those pesky metal ones that leave scratches like a cat on furniture. The wooden handles? A chef's kiss. Not only do they look classy, but they also keep your hands safe from burns. Thanks to their stainless steel core, these utensils are as tough as your grandma's meatloaf, only way more useful. Whether you're a pro chef or a toast burner trying to improve, the Umite Chef Utensils Set is your new kitchen BFF. Let's turn cooking into a masterpiece, with a side of fun. Number 3. HOTEC Food Grade Silicone Rubber Spatula Set of 5. Is your kitchen tool game feeling a little bland? The HOTEC Food Grade Silicone Rubber Spatula Set is here to add color and fun to your cooking adventures. This 5-piece multicolor set isn't just pretty, it's practical. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, these spatulas are heat-resistant up to a fiery 600 degrees Fahrenheit. So go ahead, roast, bake, or stir like a boss. These spatulas can take the heat. The seamless one-piece design is pure genius. No more worrying about food hiding in annoying cracks or handles snapping mid-flip. And those soft, ergonomic handles? They're like a spa treatment for your hands, perfect for gripping, even during a pancake flipping marathon. With 5 sizes in the set, you've got the perfect tool for every task. From frosting cakes to stirring sauces, these spatulas are the Swiss Army knives of your kitchen. Plus, the vibrant colors? They'll make you smile every time you cook. Because who doesn't love a little pop of fun? Cleanup is a breeze since they're dishwasher safe. And their durability means they'll stick with you through thick batter and thin soups. The HOTEC spatula set isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a kitchen upgrade. Number 4. Coukre Food Grade Silicone Spatula Set of 5. Meet the Coukre Food Grade Silicone Spatula Set, your kitchen's new MVP. This 5-piece set covers all the bases with large and small spatulas, scoop spatulas, and even a straight spatula. It's like the Avengers of spatulas, ready to tackle every culinary challenge. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, these spatulas are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than your kitchen on Thanksgiving morning. They're non-toxic, odor-free, and gentle on your cookware. No scratches here, just smooth, efficient scraping. With a reinforced plastic core, these spatulas are both strong and flexible. The tips expertly reach every corner of your pots and bowls, so you never waste a single drop of your pancake batter. And when the fun's over, cleanup is as easy as tossing them in the dishwasher. Detachable handles? Yes, please. Coukre backs their spatulas with a 100% satisfaction guarantee because they know you'll love them. In stylish aqua green, these spatulas don't just get the job done, they look fabulous doing it. Number 5. Walfos Silicone Kitchen Scraper Spatula Set of 5. Say hello to your new kitchen BFFs, the Walfos Silicone Spatula Set of 5. These spatulas are here to save the day, whether you're flipping pancakes, mixing batter, or just trying not to burn dinner again. With a heat resistance of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, they can take the heat, literally. The one-piece design is a game changer. No sneaky crumbs or batter hiding in cracks means easier cleanup and no unwanted bonus ingredients. Plus, the ergonomic handles make stirring and scraping feel like a dream. Your nonstick pans? They'll thank you for not using that old metal spoon again. Reinforced with a stainless steel core, these spatulas are tough cookies, ready to tackle the heaviest dough or stickiest caramel. Unlike those plastic spatulas that retire after a few uses, Walfos spatulas stick around for the long haul. And the best part? Toss them in the dishwasher, and they're ready for the next cooking adventure. With this sleek black set, you'll look like a pro in the kitchen. Even if your cookies still come out well done. The Walfos Silicone Spatula Set, making cooking fun, easy, and stylish. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best spatula sets. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect set for your kitchen. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. See you in the next video.